What triggered the latest Israel-Iran attacks reported on June 8, 2026? The sudden escalation shocked the world, but the roots run deeper than you think. Let's uncover the surprising events that sparked this conflict. The most immediate cause of the latest Israel-Iran attacks was a precision drone strike carried out by Israel inside Syrian territory. This strike targeted an Iranian weapons storage facility suspected of supplying advanced missile technology to Hezbollah. Israel viewed this as a direct threat to its national security and responded swiftly. Iran, interpreting this as an act of aggression, retaliated by launching missile strikes against Israeli military positions. Beyond the immediate attack, the escalation was fueled by months of covert operations and political maneuvering. Both nations have been engaged in a shadow war involving cyber attacks, espionage, and proxy conflicts across the region. Political rhetoric intensified as negotiations over nuclear programs stalled, increasing mistrust. These ongoing tensions created a volatile environment where a single incident could trigger open conflict. The clashes between Israel and Iran have broader implications for Middle Eastern stability. Regional actors like Syria, Lebanon, and Iraq are drawn into the conflict, either directly or through proxy groups like Hezbollah. International powers are watching closely, fearing the escalation could ignite a larger regional war. This underlines how localized attacks can ripple out, affecting global geopolitics. The latest Israel-Iran attacks are not just isolated events, but the result of a complex web of actions and reactions stretching back months. Understanding these triggers helps you see how fragile peace really is in this region. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.